What a year for crypto. 2025 has truly been a landmark in the world of digital currencies, with excitement and anticipation buzzing in every corner of the financial world. From casual investors to seasoned traders, everyone is talking about the incredible momentum building in the crypto space. August 2025 has seen the market go wild. The energy is palpable, with trading floors and online forums alike lighting up with discussions, predictions, and celebrations. It feels like every day brings a new headline, a new record, and a new wave of optimism. Bitcoin is nearing $120,000, a staggering figure that just a few years ago would have seemed like pure fantasy. The world's first cryptocurrency is now the talk of not just tech circles but mainstream media and dinner tables everywhere. Ethereum isn't far behind, soaring past $3,800. Its ecosystem is thriving with new projects, decentralized apps, and innovations fueling its rise. Developers and investors alike are watching closely, eager to see what new heights ETH can reach. The market's total value is nearly $4 trillion. That's more than just numbers on a screen. It's a sign of global adoption, with people from every continent participating in this digital revolution. The scale is unprecedented, and the impact is being felt in industries far beyond finance. This isn't a fleeting moment, it's a sustained surge. Unlike the short-lived spikes of the past, this rally has been building for months, supported by strong fundamentals, growing institutional interest, and a wave of technological advancements. Unlike past volatile times, this feels like a well-built machine. The infrastructure supporting crypto is more robust than ever, with secure exchanges, reliable wallets, and regulatory clarity helping to keep the momentum going. The growth is steady, driven by more than just hope. Real-world adoption, innovative use cases, and a maturing market are all playing their part. Investors are no longer just speculating, they're believing in the future of decentralized finance. Optimism is in the air, with charts and headlines glowing. News outlets are covering the surge with excitement, and social media is abuzz with stories of life-changing gains and bold predictions for what's next. It's hard not to smile at the market's energy. Whether you're a longtime holder or a newcomer, the sense of community and shared excitement is infectious. People are coming together, sharing tips, and celebrating milestones as the market climbs higher, but caution is key. It's a thrilling ride. The crypto market is known for its ups and downs, and while the current surge is exhilarating, smart investors know to stay vigilant and manage their risks carefully. The main event is just beginning. With new technologies on the horizon and global interest at an all-time high, the next chapter of crypto's story promises to be even more dramatic and impactful. Let's get ready for an exciting journey. The road ahead is filled with opportunity, innovation, and the potential to reshape how we think about money, ownership, and value itself. The market's power is undeniable. With every surge, crypto proves its resilience and its ability to capture the world's imagination. We're in for a long, exhilarating ride. Buckle up because the great crypto surge of 2025 is only just getting started, and the possibilities are as limitless as our collective imagination. This isn't just another crypto craze, it's a game changer. For years, Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies were seen as the playground of tech enthusiasts and risk-takers, dismissed by many as a passing fad. But now, something fundamental has shifted. The world is watching as the digital currency space matures before our eyes, and the stakes have never been higher. The big players, once skeptical, are now diving in. These are the same institutions and financial giants that once scoffed at the idea of digital money. Now, they're not just dipping their toes, they're making a splash, eager to be part of this new financial revolution. Major companies are investing billions in Bitcoin. We're talking about household names, tech titans, payment processors, and even traditional banks, allocating significant portions of their balance sheets to cryptocurrency. They're not just hedging their bets, they're signaling confidence in a digital future. It's a digital vault for their wealth. These companies see Bitcoin as a store of value, a hedge against inflation, and a way to diversify their assets in an unpredictable world. The security and transparency of blockchain technology are now seen as strengths, not risks. This sends a strong message: crypto is serious business. The headlines are no longer about wild speculation or overnight millionaires. Instead, they're about boardroom decisions, regulatory discussions, and long-term strategies. Even governments are joining in, with the US creating a Bitcoin reserve. Around the world, central banks and policymakers are exploring how digital assets can fit into their economies, and some are even considering launching their own digital currencies. This legitimizes Bitcoin as part of the financial world. No longer an outsider, Bitcoin is now being discussed alongside the dollar, euro, and yen. It's a seat at the table that was once unimaginable. It's a structural shift, not just excitement from enthusiasts. The very architecture of finance is being rebuilt, brick by digital brick, as institutions and governments lay the groundwork for a new era. Institutional adoption is the missing ingredient from before. With pension funds, hedge funds, and asset managers now in the mix, the market is more robust and resilient than ever. This bull market feels solid and real. It's not just hype, it's backed by deep pockets, careful planning, and a vision for the future. The grown-ups are here, and they like what they see. Their approval brings stability, credibility, and a sense of permanence to the crypto space. It's a new chapter for crypto. The story is no longer about rebellion or disruption alone, it's about integration, innovation, and building something lasting. The landscape is changing fundamentally. From Wall Street to Main Street, the impact of this shift is being felt everywhere, reshaping how we think about money and value. The foundations are stronger than ever. With every new participant, the network grows more secure, more trusted, and more essential to the global economy. It's a grand new era for cryptocurrency. The future looks promising, and for the first time it feels like everyone, from the smallest investor to the largest institution, is building it together. Let's explore how the world of cryptocurrency has been transformed by the arrival of major financial institutions. For years, crypto was seen as a playground for tech enthusiasts, early adopters, and risk-takers. But now, the landscape is shifting dramatically as big players step onto the field, bringing with them not just money, but also credibility and a new level of seriousness. The influx of big money is changing everything. Banks, asset managers, and financial giants are no longer watching from the sidelines. They're actively participating, moving vast sums into the crypto space. This isn't just a trend, it's a fundamental shift in how digital assets are perceived and valued. The key to this transformation is the introduction of the Bitcoin ETF, or exchange-traded fund. This financial product makes it incredibly easy for anyone, from individual investors to massive pension funds, to gain exposure to Bitcoin without having to deal with the complexities of wallets, private keys, or crypto exchanges. With a Bitcoin ETF, buying into crypto is as simple as purchasing a share of any traditional stock. There's no need to worry about technical hurdles or security risks. This simplicity has opened the doors for a flood of new investors who previously stayed away due to uncertainty or lack of technical know-how. The results have been staggering. Since their launch, Bitcoin ETFs have attracted over $150 billion in capital. This massive inflow is a clear sign that institutional investors are not just interested, they're fully committed. Leading the charge are financial powerhouses like BlackRock, Fidelity, and other global giants. Their involvement signals to the world that crypto is no longer a fringe asset, but a legitimate part of the global financial system. As institutional capital pours in, the entire market is being reshaped. The days of wild speculation and extreme volatility are giving way to a more mature, stable environment. This new wave of investment is helping to build a stronger foundation for the future of crypto. In 2025 alone, an astonishing $60 billion from major players entered the crypto market. This isn't just a blip on the radar, it's a sign of growing confidence and long-term commitment from some of the world's most influential investors. What's important to understand is that this isn't mere experimentation. These institutions are making strategic, long-term moves, carefully planning their entry and positioning themselves for the future. They're not here for quick wins, they're here to stay. As a result, crypto is now a vital part of diversified investment portfolios. It sits alongside stocks, bonds, and real estate, recognized as a legitimate asset class that can offer both growth and protection against inflation. The market itself has become more stable and mature. With the presence of large, steady investors, price swings are less dramatic, and the overall environment feels more predictable and secure. These large investors act as anchors, bringing much-needed stability and reducing the wild volatility that once defined crypto markets. Their influence helps smooth out the bumps, making crypto more attractive to everyday investors. Now, prices are increasingly driven by genuine demand and thoughtful investment strategies, rather than hype or speculation. This shift is creating a healthier, more sustainable market for everyone involved. Thanks to institutional involvement, the crypto market is stronger, more resilient, and better positioned for long-term growth than ever before. Let's delve into Bitcoin's ingenious design. The halving is a key feature, reducing new Bitcoin supply. Every 4 years, the reward for miners is halved. This creates a supply shock, driving up prices. History shows bull runs follow halving events. Bitcoin's scarcity is predictable and reliable. It's a store of value in an uncertain world. The 2024 halving set the stage for 2025's surge. It's a testament to Bitcoin's brilliant design. The mechanism ensures Bitcoin's value over time. It's a simple yet powerful economic tool. The magic of scarcity is at work again. Crypto's Wild West days are ending. New regulations bring clarity and safety. Europe and the US are leading the way. MiCA in Europe sets clear rules for crypto businesses. The US is creating laws to encourage innovation. This regulatory progress attracts big financial institutions. Clear rules build trust and confidence. It's a mature, respected part of the financial system. The market is more accessible and secure. Crypto is growing up, becoming shipshape. Ethereum's congestion issues are being solved. The Denkun upgrade made transactions cheaper and faster. Layer 2 networks like Arbitrum are thriving. They handle most traffic, keeping Ethereum efficient. New applications are flourishing without high fees. Tokenization bridges traditional finance and digital assets. Ethereum's improvements drive excitement and growth. The ecosystem is vibrant and innovative. It's a hive of activity thanks to technological advances. Crypto wallets are becoming user-friendly. High street banks are integrating wallet technology. This will boost crypto adoption significantly. Stablecoins offer a stable digital currency option. They're a safe harbor in the volatile crypto market. Businesses use stablecoins for fast, cheap transactions. Wallets and stablecoins make crypto practical and accessible. The crypto world is more integrated into daily life. It's a seamless blend of traditional and digital finance. The future of crypto is bright and promising. More people can join the crypto revolution. It's all coming together beautifully. Let's not forget the risks in crypto. Prices can swing wildly, requiring a strong stomach. Bitcoin's dominance overshadows smaller altcoins. Institutional money focuses on major cryptocurrencies. Central bank decisions impact the market. Economic factors are like the weather, unpredictable. The market shows signs of strain after a long run. Be sensible, do your research, and invest wisely. Crypto offers opportunities but isn't a guaranteed win. Prepare for both ups and downs. We're witnessing a historic moment for crypto. The 2025 surge is driven by unprecedented forces. Institutions, regulations, and technology align perfectly. It's a permanent addition to the financial world. This bull market is about more than money. It's a shift in how we perceive value. The groundwork is creating an open, efficient system. Crypto is maturing into a respected industry. The future is uncertain but full of potential. Crypto's role in our future is undeniable. Let's embrace the innovation and possibilities. It's a grand trip into the future of finance.